What's the main business of Ashirvad Capital?
Ashirvad Capital is mainly into investment in the secondary market. We invest in blue chip companies. Our main strategy is to time the market for long-term investments, the entry and exit points. The companies that we invest are mainly very established companies, so not much of fundamental analysis required except the business cycles, which we take care by the entry and exit decisions which are based on strong fundamental analysis.
What are the core strengths of your company?
Core strengths are, as I said, that we do lot of entry exit analysis which are based on lot of long term trends and technical research based on many indicators such as MACDs and stochastic oscillators.
What infrastructure you have for investment analysis?
We have real-time charting also, as well as for long-term charting we prefer like quarterly charts, monthly charts, then weekly charts. So it's mainly from long-term to short-term, and we don't at all do any kind of trading or short-term investments. The technical charts do not support this kind of study, in our opinion, to that extent.
How your company is working is different than that of a mutual fund?
Our company is different from the mutual fund because we are not guided by the rules that bind the mutual fund, that they cannot invest in one sector too much and then they have to keep some money in cash and some money in bonds. We can take our investment decisions based on our study in a more free way.
How your company has grown in the last 2 years?
In the last 2 years we have grown at around 50%. Last year we have shown a lower profit, but then that is because we have not decided to exit from our positions, and that again we take decisions based on our study, which we rely on entirely without getting guided by quarterly results or annual performance, because we see that we have to deliver long-term returns to our investors, which is over a period of 3 to 5 years.
How do you expect top and bottom line to grow in next 2 years?
As I said, this is all related to the market performance and how our shares are placed within the cycles that they are in, and we want to give returns in the long run and not guided by quarterly performance or yearly performance.
How do you
what we look at is mainly we want to beat the market in that time frame of 3 to 5 years.
How do you look at challenges?
Challenges are always there, like we have to keep on having a very vigilant view on which sectors are changing, where the investment philosophy for the major players in the market is moving, which are the upcoming sectors, which are the sectors which have peaked out. So this it's a continuous exercise which we have to keep on monitoring the market and seize these opportunities, get out of places where we don't see incremental return. So these are the challenges.
Where do you see the opportunities now?
The opportunities basically lie in India being such a dynamic economy today. The real challenges, the opportunities will come where the sectors which were in the investment phase are now getting into the return phase. So these are the opportunities in a rising economy, in a very dynamic economy. A lot of new sectors will keep coming up, and which we need to seize those opportunities, identify those sectors immediately.
What's your forecast on stock market in 2008?
2008, as per our analysis, that the market should kind of peak out this year, and we are not looking at very incremental returns as far as the index is concerned. Sector wise rotation will be there. Some of the industries which were laggards in the last 5 years should start picking up, like pharma and FMCG.